that spread my wings so high. I see the river flowing, water running by. I'd like to be that river, see what I might find. I feel the wind blowing, slowly changing tide. I'd like to be that wind that swirl and shape the sky. I smell the flowers blooming, open for spring. I'd like to be those flowers open to everything. Change the leaves, the snow and the sun. I like to be those seasons made up and undone. I taste the living with the seeds that grow within. I like to be that earth, the home where life begins. I see the moon rising, reaching into night. As the world begins to wake, I'd like to be that silence as the morning breaks. In the sky, up in the sky, that spread my wings so high. I see the river flowing, I love to be.